Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery. So today is hair day. So it's hair transplant day today. So I'll be doing a male patient for hair transplantation. No? So I'll be transferring or getting 3,500 grafts. No? Nalalagay natin dito sa harapan and sa vertex. And one case of T-plasty, also for a male patient. No? So, those are our two cases for today. Yung hair transplant, medyo matagal yun. Mga 8 to 10 hours. Okay? So, syempre, we would like to greet Parañaque for its cityhood day, no? Parañaque Day. That is February 13. So, hi po sa ating napakabuting mayor, Mayor Edwin Olivares. And syempre po, ang ating Vice Mayor Benjo Bernabe. And Congressman for the 1st District, Congressman Eric Olivares, and Congressman for the 2nd District, Congressman Brian Yamzuan. Siyempre po, kaya tayo nakapula ngayon dahil Valentine's Day. Yan, para sa ating mga nagmamahalan, no? Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. And siyempre, sa Parañaque, Happy Parañaque Day. No? So that's it. See you. Argos, Philippines! Hi, I'm done doing the T-plasty with osteotomy. So, the patient doesn't need an implant for the bridge. Well, actually, it will be better if there will be an implant, but the patient doesn't want any foreign body. So, I did a T-plasty. It is also harmonious with the bridge. So I made it not too high. I did a overhang correction for the overhanging ala, and this time I did a alar trimming using the Baba flap. Then I did an osteotomy to narrow down the bone. Kasi medyo wide yung kanyang nasal bone, so I narrowed it down doing the osteotomy. And I also did the buccal fat removal para medyo mag-V-shape yung kanyang face. No? So I will see him after a week. That's it. Another day, another surgery.